In this session, we will be covering the guarantor file. The guarantor file is only used for a guarantor who is not also a patient. There are 4 tabs on the guarantor file. The first tab, page 1, starts off with the contact code. This must be unique. It is followed by demographics. Notice the zip code comes before city and state. It is not the normal order of things, but that is because AltaPoint will store zip codes and the city and state they are associated with in the database. If you enter a zip code that is already in the database, it will fill in the city and state for you. After the demographics is a checkbox to mark the guarantor inactive. Below is a search button, which will bring up the list again without closing the file you have open. Photo, which allows you to acquire or import a photograph. New for a new record, and the delete button. The second tab, page 2, is short. It has the social security number, cell phone, email, birth date, default provider, and employer. Also is the checkbox to email statements. The third tab is titled Family Members, and it simply displays all the members of the family that are patients. You can update their address to match the guarantors by using Update Addresses, and the zoom button will open the file of the family member you have selected. The last tab is Notes. It is simply narrative notes, one big block of text. You can import and export, as well as print. This concludes this session.